This wound up being one of the lowest powered transformers that I had. Most of them are 20. This one was 17. A little bit of difference. It's wired in with three 1 farad capacitors that came out of microwaves. They're wired up in parallel. And so we've got basically, if I'm doing it right, 3 farads of capacitance here. Now, let's see, this is my zapper probe, for lack of a better term. This is a little makeshift Jacob's ladder type of deal. And this is for when I had a bad day and I got a control board that I'm pissed off at. I'll throw it on here and zap it pretty hard. I'll show you what it can do. I'll plug it in. Watch the electricity meter run. Yep. And we tripped the breaker. You unplug it. Put this back on. Back up and running. Get this out the way. And this time I'm going to clip my amp meter onto my probe itself. Plug in, back up and running. So what that tells me is that all of that amperage is being transferred into very, very high voltage, allowing the spark like that to be thrown. Because as you see, when I'm on the input voltage wire, I'm getting really high, really, I saw 30s flash up in there. I'll have to watch the video again to see what exactly it got up to. But on the probe side, really wasn't very much. I call this Lavinia. I don't know why. I just came up with that name for it. I'm going to try it with the 20 one of these days, see if we get a bigger spark than what we got. But that one's pretty big, so, you know, I'm happy with it. Till next time.